Hello students, welcome for today's e-learning session of Sri Chiyamdunda Primary School SPEI Standard 7th Social Science. Students, today we are going to start the 5th chapter, Location and Time, and this chapter deals with the geography part of our syllabus. Today we are going to understand the following points: location, major longitudes and time. So students, what is the location? Location means the particular area. We are going to learn how location of the earth affects the time on the earth. For this, we will have to understand how can we find the location of a region on the earth. So students, we can locate a place on earth with the help of latitudes and longitudes. However, these lines are not drawn on the earth's surface. Those are just the imaginary lines drawn on the model of the earth. The horizontal lines are the latitudes which run parallel to each other in east-west direction, whereas the longitudes are the vertical lines that run in north-south direction and intersect each other at the poles. So, let's go through the following points. So, location indicates the position of a particular region on the earth. It can be found with the help of latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes are the imaginary horizontal lines drawn on the globe. Longitudes are the vertical lines drawn on the globe. The exact latitude and longitude of a place can be known with the help of GPS, that is Global Positioning System. Students, you can use GPS in your mobile phones. So, the major longitudes. These two are the major longitudes. The first one is the prime meridian, that is also called as Greenwich, and the second one is international date line. So students, prime meridian is the 0-degree longitude which passes through Greenwich in England. The earth is divided into two halves, that is eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere, and this division is done by the prime meridian only. International date line. It is the 180-degree longitude which passes through the Pacific Ocean. When one crosses this line, the day and date changes. It separates two calendar dates and it is not straight but the zigzag. And students, the reason behind this is that if it is drawn straight, then the line has to pass through many islands, resulting into 2 dates and 2 days on the same island. Hence, it is drawn zigzag. Let's move towards the next topic. Sun, the biggest clock. So, why the sun is called as the biggest clock? Because our time is affected by the overhead of sun. So, students, the time of a place is decided by the position of the sun in the sky and its longitude. As you know, it takes 24 hours for the earth to complete one rotation. There are 360 longitudes in total. Hence, there is difference of 4 minutes between the two adjacent longitudes. So students, how is it possible? That I am going to show you in the next slide. So students, as you know, there are 360 longitudes, right? And it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. So if we divide 360 by 24, we get 15. It means that the sun takes 1 hour to pass 15 longitudes. So again if we divide 60 minutes by 15 longitudes, we get 4. So there is the difference of 4 minutes between two adjacent longitudes, creating variations in time at different places on the earth. Local time. So local time of a place is taken as per the overhead position of the sun, and it differs by 4 minutes with every 1 degree longitude. Suppose the sun is overhead at a different longitude, it would be 12 noon in all the places on that longitude. The places sharing the same longitude have the same time, which is decided according to mid-noon. So what we have seen, that the time taken according to the overhead position of the sun in a particular place is the local time. It differs by 4 minutes with every 1 degree longitude. There would be 12 noon in all the places belonging to the longitude facing the sun. Places located at the same longitude have the same time and vice versa. Students, what do you mean by vice versa? Vice versa means that the condition will be opposite in if the situation is opposite. Last but not the least, standard time. So what is the standard time? It is the local time of a place which is situated in the middle of the country. The standard time of our country is decided on the basis of 82.5 degree east longitude, which passes through Allahabad in UP. So why standard time is taken into consideration? Because this makes it convenient for the smooth administration of the country. Students, let's discuss the things to know. The longitudes to the east of the Greenwich line are denoted by the letter E, while those situated to the west are denoted by the letter W. The international date line is also called ITL in short. If a country extends to a great extent eastwards and westwards, then it may have more than one standard time. The latitudes to the north of the equator are denoted by the letter M, while those situated to the south are denoted by the letter S. The actual distance between two latitudes is 111 km. So students, this way we have come towards the end of the today's session. Go through the link provided to you in PDF file and complete your writing work. Thank you. Have a nice day.